Did you know that the latest hybrid SUVs can save you thousands of dollars on gas over their lifetime? We've done the research to bring you the top 11 hybrid SUVs that excel in fuel efficiency, style, performance, and safety. If you find value in this video, please consider subscribing. Now, let's dive into the list. Number 11. Ford Escape Hybrid. The Ford Escape Hybrid offers a great balance of performance and fuel efficiency, delivering up to 39 miles per gallon combined. This SUV provides plenty of space for passengers and cargo, making it an excellent choice for families. It's available in both hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions, offering flexibility based on your needs. The hybrid version uses a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, providing smooth and efficient driving. However, it can be a bit pricey for its class, and some interior materials feel less premium compared to competitors. Additionally, while the Escape offers a comfortable ride, it may not be as sporty to drive as some of its rivals. Despite these drawbacks, the Escape remains a strong contender for those seeking a versatile and efficient hybrid SUV. Its advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, add to its appeal, making it a well-rounded choice for eco-conscious families. Starting price, $30,990. Number 10. Lexus RX Hybrid. The Lexus RX Hybrid is a luxury hybrid SUV that provides a smooth and quiet ride, with fuel efficiency up to 36 miles per gallon combined. Its luxurious cabin is loaded with advanced technology, making every trip enjoyable. The RX Hybrid comes with standard all-wheel drive, adding to its appeal and ensuring better handling in various driving conditions. Under the hood, it features a 3.5-liter V6 engine, paired with electric motors delivering a combined output of 308 horsepower. On the downside, the plug-in hybrid model is limited in availability, and the infotainment system can be tricky to use, with its touchpad controller often drawing criticism for being less intuitive. Nonetheless, the RX is an excellent choice for those seeking a combination of luxury and efficiency. Its spacious interior, high-quality materials, and comprehensive safety features, including pre-collision systems and pedestrian detection, make it a top pick in the luxury hybrid SUV market. Starting price, $41,765. Number 9. Toyota Venza Hybrid. The Toyota Venza Hybrid stands out with its stylish design and upmarket cabin, delivering up to 39 miles per gallon combined. It offers a quiet and comfortable ride, making it perfect for long journeys. The Venza comes with a standard hybrid powertrain, which combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors, providing a total of 219 horsepower. This setup ensures excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. However, its rear seats and cargo space are more limited compared to some rivals, which might be a consideration for those needing more room. Still, the Venza's blend of efficiency, style, and comfort makes it a great choice for those seeking a sophisticated hybrid SUV. Additional features like the available Stargaze fixed panoramic roof, which can switch from transparent to frosted with the push of a button, and the standard Toyota Safety Sense suite of driver assist technologies further enhance its appeal. Starting price, $36,465. Number 8. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid impresses with its spacious, attractive cabin and a variety of powertrains, achieving up to 38 miles per gallon combined. It offers a smooth ride and plenty of standard safety features, making it a family-friendly option. The Tucson's hybrid system combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined 226 horsepower, providing strong acceleration and better fuel economy than the standard gas engine. While the base engine is less impressive and top trims can be pricey, the Tucson remains a standout for its value, features, and efficiency. Its well-appointed interior includes an intuitive infotainment system with a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The Tucson also boasts a generous cargo area and plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. Advanced safety features like forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision warning, and a surround view monitor ensure peace of mind on the road. Starting price, $28,975. Number 7. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid combines impressive fuel efficiency, stylish design, and a spacious interior, offering up to 39 miles per gallon combined. This SUV provides excellent comfort and practicality, making it a top pick in its class. The hybrid powertrain delivers sharper performance compared to the non-hybrid version, with a combined output of 219 horsepower from its 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and electric motors. However, lower trim levels can feel a bit bare bones, and it's not particularly thrilling to drive. Despite these minor drawbacks, drawbacks, the RAV4 Hybrid's blend of capability and efficiency is hard to beat. The interior is well designed, with user-friendly technology like a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system and standard features like dual-zone climate control and a suite of advanced safety technologies. The RAV4 Hybrid also offers all-wheel drive as standard, enhancing its versatility for different driving conditions. Starting price, $30,025. Number 6. Lexus NX Hybrid. The Lexus NX Hybrid offers a luxurious and comfortable ride, with fuel efficiency up to 39 miles per gallon combined. It features extensive infotainment and safety technology, high-quality materials, and excellent build quality. The NX comes with multiple powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid variant. The standard hybrid system pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors to deliver 240 horsepower. However, it's not as sporty as some rivals, and large side pillars can obscure visibility. Despite these issues, the NX is a solid choice for those seeking a luxurious and efficient hybrid SUV. Inside, the NX impresses with a high-tech cockpit that includes a large touchscreen display, wireless charging, and premium audio systems. Safety features are top-notch, with standard adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and a pre-collision system. The NX also boasts a comfortable and quiet cabin, perfect for both city commutes and long highway drives. Starting price, $41,765. Number 5. Honda CRV Hybrid. The Honda CRV Hybrid delivers strong fuel economy and a spacious, well-built cabin, achieving up to 40 miles per gallon combined. It's one of the best-selling hybrids in its class, known for its reliability and family-friendly features. The CRV Hybrid offers a smooth and refined driving experience, with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors to produce 212 horsepower. Ample cargo space and advanced safety features, including the Honda Sensing Suite, make it an ideal choice for families. While it has a higher starting price compared to some competitors, its excellent build quality and efficiency make it a top choice for families. The interior is thoughtfully designed with a user-friendly infotainment system, comfortable seating, and high-quality materials. The CRV Hybrid also comes with standard all-wheel drive, enhancing its versatility and appeal. Its spacious cabin provides plenty of room for both passengers and cargo, making it perfect for road trips and daily commutes alike. Starting price, $31,450. Number 4. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. The Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid offers a perfect blend of Corolla sedan elements with SUV practicality, providing up to 42 miles per gallon combined. This hybrid SUV is known for its attractive entry price, ample standard safety features, and comfortable ride. The hybrid version adds more power and efficiency, making it a lively option. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors, producing a combined 196 horsepower. Although the base engine can be sluggish and options are limited, the Corolla Cross Hybrid remains a great value for practical and efficient transportation. Its interior is spacious and comfortable with a user-friendly infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The Corolla Cross also offers a generous amount of cargo space, making it versatile for various needs. Standard safety features include Toyota Safety Sense with pre-collision systems, lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control. Starting price, $25,210. Number 3. Lexus UX Hybrid. The Lexus UX Hybrid is a compact luxury SUV that delivers exceptional fuel efficiency with up to 43 miles per gallon combined. It features luxurious interior materials, a large infotainment display, and top-notch build quality. The UX Hybrid's design and comfort make it a standout in its class. The powertrain combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, generating 181 horsepower. However, the rear seat and cargo space are limited, which may be a drawback for some. If you're seeking a luxurious and highly efficient hybrid, the UX is an excellent choice. The cabin is well crafted, with high-quality materials and advanced technology, including a digital gauge cluster and a touchpad controller for the infotainment system. Standard features include dual-zone climate control, a premium audio system, and a comprehensive suite of safety technologies. Despite its smaller size, the UX Hybrid offers a comfortable and refined driving experience, making it ideal for urban environments. Starting price, $37,490. Number 2. Kia Sportage Hybrid. The Kia Sportage Hybrid impresses with its premium interior, spacious cabin, and fuel-efficient powertrains, achieving up to 43 miles per gallon combined. It offers a range of options, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid models. The Sportage provides a comfortable and high-tech driving experience with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine paired with electric motors, delivering 226 horsepower in the hybrid version. However, it has some engine noise and confusing controls, particularly the climate and audio settings. Despite these minor issues, the Sportage's fuel economy and features make it a strong contender in the hybrid SUV market. The interior is well appointed with a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, and advanced driver assist features like blind spot collision avoidance and rear cross traffic alert. The Sportage also offers ample cargo space and a comfortable ride, making it suitable for both city driving and long trips. Starting price: $28,565. Number 1. Kia Niro Hybrid. Topping our list is the Kia Niro Hybrid, boasting an impressive 53 miles per gallon combined fuel economy. This compact SUV offers a mix of style, efficiency, and utility that few rivals can match. The Niro comes standard with a hybrid powertrain, a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, providing a combined 139 horsepower. Its surprisingly roomy interior and available plug-in version with a good all-electric range further enhance its appeal. Although it lacks all-wheel drive and has sluggish acceleration, the Niro's affordability and efficiency make it the best choice for eco-conscious drivers. Inside, the Niro features a user-friendly infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Standard safety features include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and driver attention warning. The Niro's blend of practicality, technology, and outstanding fuel efficiency makes it a top pick for those looking to minimize their environmental impact. Starting price: $28,315.